Really going to do any specific grammar or any specific script for the rest of the class. We're going to have a little bit of fun. And what I decided to pull up is a song by a mudrab. A mudrab is a singer. And his name is Majid Al-Muhandis. Majid Al-Muhandis. And he comes from Iraq. Iraq. Let's hear it. Iraq. Has that 9 in there, so we can get that ayn. Iraq. And that end is that Iraq. Aywa?
How do most people type that off sound?
Good question. If you're really fancy, you can go ahead and take a C and superscript it. Or in quick speech and text messaging, a 3. Okay. That's not even a 3. In text messaging or G-chat or something, just use a 3.
What's the 7?
What's a 7? All right, what word am I sometimes writing to you guys that has a 7 in there? Sabah. So this is the ayn. 7 is a. All right, so for this song, the name of the song is what? Can we read it here? Habibi, okay, and then what? Sabah. Sabah al-Khair, let me hear you say it. All right, and then what would be one of the responses? Right. But Arabic is not pleased with that. So we're going to learn about 10 different ways to say good morning from this song. All right? If you got a pen and paper, write down some of the ways you're hearing or any words you hear. We're going to basically just listen to the chorus, the first verse, and in the chorus we can get a lot of words out. All right?
حبيبي صباح الخير صباحك ورد وفل وروز يا عمري صباح النور يلا اصحى بنك فيروز حبيبي صباح الخير صباحك ورد وفل وروز يا عمري صباح النور يلا اصحى بنك فيروز الشمس طلعت يا زين والدم غمض العين الشمس طلعت يا زين والدم غمض العين من تصحى تشرق عالدنيا مو شمس واحدة شمسين حبيبي 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 صباح الخير صباح الخير صباح
All right, any words that we picked out of there? All right, ward, okay. When we do that one again, let's try to write that one down, okay? So we heard something ward. What else do we hear? Any words? Huh? Okay, I didn't hear that, but we can listen again. Huh? Faidu, yeah, something faidu. I'll give you a clue, it's fay and then something else. So we'll listen again, it's the very end.
Karadu or
It's just for like
it was like Sabah Karadu or something like that.
Okay, so we got some different ways to say sabah, el something. So our standard one is sabah al-nur. Let's pick up a few other ones, okay? And we'll go through it line by line. See what things we can get.
صباحك ورد وفل حبيبي صباح الخير صباحك ورد
Wardu. Okay, how would we write that? Huh? What? Okay. I can't hear you. Thank you. There's a U. We'll worry about that U later. It's case. But yeah, Sabah al-Ward. And we can actually write ward in Arabic. Ward. Flowers. So let's hear it. Sabah al-Ward. Sabah al-Ward. So I could say Sabah al-Khair, and you guys could say very good. Or you guys can start with, and you always want to start with whatever you want. So what would you want to start with? Okay, Sabah al-Khair or Sabah al-Ward. Very good. All right, so now we have another alternate to put in there.
What does it mean again?
Ward. What does ward mean? Flowers. Sabah al-Ward. The imagery of it. You got to start the morning off on a high note.
حبيبي صباح الخير صباحك ورد وفل
Sabah al-Ward wu. Let's listen one more time.
صباح الخير صباحك ورد وفل ولوز.
What is this oo that we're hearing? Eh? I can't hear you. It's like the wa. But in Iraq, he pronounces it woo. Wa, woo, we. It's the same thing. So he's saying something ward, woo, woo, Let's see if we can fill in what these blanks are in between.
صباح الخير صباحك ورد وفل ولوز.
Ewa?
Lubas.
Lubas. Lows. Almonds. Almonds. Come on, lows.
What is he saying? Like flowers, almonds? Like
It's one of the ways you just say good morning. You can say sabah al-ward, sabah al-luz. Come on, sabah al-luz. Uh-huh.
So morning of almonds.
Morning of almonds. Almonds are a great thing in the world.
yes.
They're very healthy for your heart also. Eat 5 a day, you lower your cholesterol. And if you eat blueberries, you'll have better memory cells.
What about mulberries?
Mulberries are awesome. Mumtaz! But I've never heard sabah tut. But in Syria they have tut shami, which is excellent. So you have tut shami juice. It's like a type of mulberry. All right, so we have sabah al-ward, wu something, will lose. Let's get that other one in there.
صباح الخير صباحك ورد وفل ولوز.
Something that, oh,
It's like a whole do.
huh?
Fall.
Huh?
Fall.
All right, what's that first letter?
Fall.
Shukran.
Oh, F.
Sabah al... what? A little bit more to that word.
صباح الخير صباحك ورد وفل ولوز.
Okay, how do you write that? Yeah, F-U. A little bit more. L. L. Full. Let's take that. Full. Sabah al-full. And do not say sabah al-fool. No. Sabah al-full. There's a difference. Full. This way. Sabah al-full. Let me hear it one more time. It either means yasmin, jasmine, the spice jasmine. It's a pleasant smell to start the morning in. Or it can also mean lilies, depending what region of the Arabic-speaking world you're in.
What's food?
Fool, fava beans. Fava beans. They're these beans, they're about that big, kind of shaped like a kidney, whitish. That's what they are. And it's common in Egypt, because that's what you eat for breakfast a lot of times. Fool. All right, so what are some combinations we have? We have sabah al-khair, sabah al-ward, what else? Al-luz, woo. Full, ya salam. All right, a couple other ones which he doesn't mention. Al-Eshta. Let's get that ta in there. Eshta. 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 Sabah al-Eshta. Sabah al-Eshta. Colloquially, it's like cream, some sort of sweet, creamy substance. So whipped cream. Again, we sense a pattern going on here, right? Good things.
Diet breakfast.
Okay, we can also have just our regular Sabah el-Yasmin. And not the princess from Aladdin. Am I the only one old enough? No.
No.
So what is Yasmin in English? Jasmine. So we're going to say Sabah al-Yasmin.
So both al-ful and al-yasmin could be jasmine?
But only al-ful can also be lilies, depending on where you are.
So are these some of the first thing you would say, or can you use these as a response as well?
Usually you're going to start Sabah al-Khair, usually, and then go with whichever one you want.
What does khair mean?
What is khair?
Is that good?
Good or fine.
So many words for that.
We have in English good, fine, great,
Awesome.
awesome. Now, one more which I'm going to give you, Sabah al-Ahwa, which is used by people who work in the universities a lot, not just in the US. Ahwa, kahwa, coffee. Sabah al-Ahwa. All right, so before we leave, we got what kind? We got Sabah, what else? Luz, Ful, Eshta, Yasmin, cream. All right, so let's use some of these in our conversation. Have fun with them, okay?